Hey everyone, welcome to Quarter Mile Farm. It's been a while since we made a video. Things have been pretty crazy here at the farm. I was in several craft shows during November, December, and I was crafting like crazy and going to the shows, and so I didn't have a whole lot of time to do much videoing, that kind of stuff. But it's January now, and it's actually a pretty nice day out. We have sunshine finally after a few days of fog and clouds and cold, and we're actually up into the 50s weather-wise. So Brent and I are out here getting some work done, and there was a chicken on the loose, and one of the dogs chased it and it decided to go flying, and you can see, oh, there it goes. Make sure it goes into the coop and not beyond the fence. Let's just make sure it's not in the creek now. Silly bird. That's one of the junior chicks. And nope. There he is. Pretty sure it's a rooster. Oh, that silly bird. Come on, chick, 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 chick. Get over there. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yep, up and over. Oh, he's in now. Okay, let's go out here to the field. We have a project underway out here, and we'll show you what's going on. Hey, hon.
Hey there.
What's going on?
Well, we're going to roll out some plastic. Already got part of it done. And then I figured I'd wait till you get out here so you can see all the hard work that it takes to roll out a thing of plastic.
Yeah, so much so that you needed my help to do it with.
This is going to be for the flowers that we're looking at growing here. And we have a whole bunch of seeds that we bought primarily from Baker Creek. And so this is 30 by about 100 feet. And so we're going to kill off the grass, and then in a couple of months we'll start tilling and get everything going. Right now it's January, and so maybe by March we'll be able to actually start tilling everything and get the ground going for some good summer flowers.
Awesome. Nice rope.
And this rope I had, extension cord.
That's really long. You never really stop to think about how long 100 feet is.
There it is.
That's long. So this is 30 by 100 feet?
Should be 30 by 100.
So we'll...
It's all opened up.
Yeah, so we'll be able to kill off a nice swath of pasture here, and then we're going to be putting our rows this way because this is north to south, and so we'll have about, well, quite a few 25-ish foot
Going
rows.
for 25-foot-ish rows, and then some will probably be shorter just because we don't have very many seeds of certain types of flowers. I think I want to take this out a little further and start it closer here.
Okay.
Because the main vision, if you want to call it that portion that goes over the hill and down to the other pasture, I'm going to make that into some flowers as well. And I want a pathway that goes between the main area where we're going to have market flowers, as it were, to the more parkland type area. But I just want to have this closer, so whatever gap is there, we'll just do more veggies, berries, whatever.
Yeah. Do you need my help for this, or you got it? You got it under control?
I think I should have brought it out here
and rolled the other way.
Rolled it the other way.
Oh well. So glad I could be of help for you.
It's interesting that it's not terribly difficult to do. but that's 80-90 feet of friction that I'm fighting against.
I think that's a good.
Basically, we've got this little hill right here, and that's where I want to start it.
Okay. That's good, huh?
It's 5 mils thick, and the other stuff we have I think is 6 mils. It's only black, but this is white on one side, black on the other. So I kind of liked that idea. Not that I bought it specifically for that. I found out that was the case after I bought it.
Uh-huh. So yeah, I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this portion back here, at least not for a long time. But yeah, we have this pasture up here, and then, or it was a hay field originally. And then it kind of starts to dip down here. And then we basically have a little bit of a drop off down into this marshy area. And over here we already put a sheet of just the regular silage tarp that we had bought. It got kind of ripped up. There was a bunch of thistles underneath, and it just got kind of destroyed by wind. It's still usable in spots, but I'll be moving this out to my other garden area, so it'll help kill off some more of the pasture for the market garden. It's not really market garden. I don't know why I'm saying that. I mean, we are selling the produce from it, so I guess it's kind of market garden, but it's not your typical market garden. So one of the ways that we're taking the farm this year, we're going to continue growing things like the cucumbers we grew last year. I'm going to add in green beans, and we're going to do squash again probably. We did really good with the pumpkins, although we have a lot of them that froze in our garage, and they're chicken feed basically right now. But we did have good success for our first year, what I would consider good success, and this next year will be more known to the people in the community, and we'll just get better this next year than we were last year.
So this is rough rolled out now. Now it's time to fine tune it. One of the things I kind of thought we could do, it's not warm enough, although this is unseasonably warm for January, but one of my fun things I'd love to do with the kids is a powered slip and slide and get the irrigation pipe going. And so this would do that for us.
Yes, it would.
But we'll not do that. Hey, Inky's up on the thing.
Oh.
So now we're going to spread this out, and we'll see how much work it is, but my vision is to dig a little trench along the side here and then put it in the trench and fold the earth back over it so it doesn't blow away. The weather primarily comes from the southwest, and so if I did at least these two edges, that would probably be a big help to keep it from blowing away. So now it's time to get to work and straighten it up and get it exactly positioned and see how it goes. Maybe we'll have to continue this on Sunday.
Yeah.
You just tug a little bit, I'll tug a little more. And a little further down. Okay, we'll see if that works. Once we have this in, we'll be able to tug it that way, and it won't come out of the ground.
Yeah.
So I want to pull it over now.
Hey, you're in the way. You're in the way. Shouldn't we have the black side up?
The pictures that they showed was all the white side up.
Oh. Because it would seem the black would collect the energy, the heat from the sun.
I reckon.
Because this is going to reflect the heat, which you want the heat to kill the grass underneath.
I think it's going to get killed either way.
Okay. Oh, I've introduced George to you in another video that I haven't edited yet. Actually, by the time you see this one, it probably will be out there and you have seen it. But anyway, this is George. George just kind of showed up. I don't know who he belongs to, if he does. I started feeding him and he just kind of hangs around, so. George, Inky, and then Tiger Tom is over here somewhere. Where's Tiger Tom? Hey Tiger Tom, come here. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here. Yes, hi there. Hello, Inky. Hi. It's a lot of work there, mister.
Yes, it is. And come springtime, when we're ready to pull this out, I might clear this out even more and make it an irrigation pipeway.
Yeah.
Not deep enough to avoid the frost.
Yeah.
So we'd have to blow it out every year, but that's fine.
No.
But we're about at the point where we can pull the plastic in,
Okay.
put the dirt back on top of it,
Yeah.
and then it won't blow away.
Looks like Juno found a critter to dig up.
He frequently digs out there
Yeah.
after critters.
Juno makes a great farm dog. He's dispatched of about 3 juvenile opossums. He did a bunny rabbit too, which I'm sad about, but he can take care of all those possums. Hey, George.
call that good for today. It is nearly sunset and time to head in and
get ready for Sabbath.
Get ready for Sabbath, and we should be getting ready for Sabbath a long time ago. But,
I know.
But finish this up on Sunday with this other edge, and then we'll do tires and whatever else.
Tires,
we have a
bricks,
few
pavers. Yeah.
left over from the last time we got tires.
Yeah.
From the auto shop.
Yep.
And we could go get more, I guess, if we needed to, but
yeah.
I don't want to go get more. But hopefully it won't blow away between now and then. Whew, but I'm tuckered.
So at that, we'll call it a day here at Quarter Mile Farm. Thanks for joining us for this small project. Big project? I don't know.
Project.
Hard work for him, for me not so much. All right, we will see you next time. Bye.